geef gas, ben op een mission. BMW.
I do not wanna be in here. Hello guys, my name is Alex and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my Golf R that's running 500 horsepower, 500 plus, and look at the sky. It's 4 AM in the morning. I got my Red Bull in the car. The car is looking quite dirty, I can't lie, but we're just gonna go and enjoy this sky, and we're gonna go to Canary Wharf today because I don't know, I just feel like it. And you haven't seen the splitter unfortunately, but it's only been on the car for 1 month and already fucked it up, but yeah. Anyway guys, the car is looking nice. I just need to clean it a little bit. Let me just do another spin around. Look how beautiful this is. And we're gonna go to Canary Wharf and drive. So let's get into the car. It's time to go. And unfortunately, if you remember correctly, we used to drive around this road like crazy, but now you can't anymore because guess what? Is now average speed. This used to be such a nice road to drive, but it's just a 40 average now, so you can't go fast anymore. I really missed making these kind of videos because I haven't made it in ages with my car, at least. I've only had like different cars on my channel where we have done like POVs. We have either presented the car or I drove it, or just both in the same video. But today is finally about my car and probably about something that you've been missed as well, because I can't lie, I missed my car. I missed making this kind of content and talking to you at 4 AM in the morning. Actually, what's the time? Yeah, 5 actually. So we're gonna get there by 5:20. I look the camera. Let's hear my baby. Let's do what we normally do around here. I can't get bored of it. I just love it. I just like it so much. Wow, I feel like I'm in heaven. But too much talking, let's enjoy the car. My little rocket. Them cars, I don't trust them. Same as with the Volvos. Ah no, this has a private place, so it should in theory be alright, but I don't know what to say. Is this an RSQ3? Yeah. Train, the overground. The overground that goes above my head. If I get a flat tire again, I'm done now. I'll be really pissed, I can't lie. I only replaced it like a few days ago, so I do not wanna be in here. I just wanna be somewhere else. Oh, I've been here so many times actually. All right, let me get let me get out of here. waking up. London, Canary Wharf. Look at this. To check quickly which is the tire that looks or feels quite soft. This one's fine. This one is okay. This one's fine. Don't tell me it's this one again. No, they're all good. So what's the matter? Oh, look at this. And I think, we can't. How is that barrier there? Anyway, we can't go there, but we can park here, which is still good enough. Look at this. Just look at this. And that's my yacht. That's my yacht. So look at these guys. Whoa. With the golfer here on the side. And imagine if this drops. I'm fucked. Just look how beautiful this is, and let me just do a nice intro. So we're gonna go from here. Just to see this beautiful view, and unluckily we can't go to the end because that was the best part. But what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take one more shot and then we can go on my road and enjoy it from there.
It's BMW, not BMW. Bayerische Motorenwerke. Bayerische Motorenwerke.
Rocky, what's going on?
Wow. Ik geef gas, ben op een mission. BMW M is competition. BMW M, dat is een CS. Pull up voor 600 PS. BMW, BMW, BMW MCS. BMW, BMW, BMW MCS. BMW M, beige keramiek M. Shapka, Prada, Italian.
Alright guys, so I think it's time to leave. So let's just jump in the car and go back into the ends and do a drive. Time to go home and actually enjoy the car. We saw a nice view in the morning and now it's time to enjoy the car as well. Wait. This is tricky. Fuck yeah, they are turning after me. That's it. They stopped me earlier to say hi and I couldn't get them on camera, and I want to make it up for them. because of the tire warning that we got earlier. Guys, it's getting a little bit too much traffic and we can't really record at this time, but what I'm gonna do is, because I'm low on the battery as well, I'm gonna close this video here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time, guys. Oh, I'm so tempted, I can't lie, I'm so tempted. But nah, I'm not gonna do nothing.